Hello and welcome to another episode of Dine In. Today I'm making an extremely simple yet amazingly flavorful Caprese salad. This post-World War I recipe is designed to be a patriotic tribute to the colors of the Italian flag. Comprising three main ingredients, it showcases the simplicity and effectiveness in fresh Italian cooking. There's really not much to do besides chopping everything. Now these local tomatoes I'm using are very similar to Roma tomatoes. They have a thick skin, so take your time and make sure the knife doesn't slip. If necessary, use the tip of the knife to pierce the skin and then it should slice right through. Try your best to get the thickness of the slices as even as possible. Next up is the cheese. This recipe absolutely requires fresh mozzarella. The plasticky block version just simply will not do. The creamy flavor and texture of fresh mozzarella is what separates this salad from every other kind and also transforms it into a complete filling meal. Once again, just try to make the slices close to the same thickness of the tomatoes. The green part of the flag calls for fresh basil. Anywhere between 5 to 10 leaves should do, and give them a rough chop. It's perfectly fine to have large and small chunks. I actually prefer the rustic look that way. Now for the assembly. You should definitely try out different fun patterns for presentation, but I'm just sticking to simple alternating slices. That way it's easy to cut and get a bit of everything in each bite. Next, sprinkle the chopped basil over everything. Then add a couple pinches of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, drizzle about a tablespoon each of extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And that's it. You'd be amazed how much flavor is packed on this plate and how quickly it fills you. So I really hope you give this one a try. And until next time, have a good night and keep safe.